The Samsung Galaxy S26 FE is officially scheduled to be unveiled on August 27, 2026 during the Galaxy event August 2026. The Galaxy S26 FE feature a redesigned rear camera module inspired by the rest of the Galaxy S26 lineup. The phone is expected to measure 7.4mm in thickness, weigh around 193 grams, and carry an IP68 rating. A flat aluminum frame and flat rear panel. A leak US price of $799. With Android 17 and One UI 9, it's come in black, green, and purple. Equipped with Samsung's 3nm Exynos 2500 processor. With an AMD RDNA 3 based Xclipse 950 GPU. With 8GB RAM, offering 128GB or 256GB. A 50MP Samsung ISOCELL S5 KGN3 sensor main camera. An 8MP OmniVision OV08 A1 telephoto sensor that delivers 3x optical zoom. 12MP sensors for ultrawide. A 12MP Galaxy Core GC12A2 sensor selfie camera. The S25 FE slimmed down to 190 GMS, kept the 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and paired it with a 4900 mAh battery with 45W wired charging. In Europe, the 128GB model is tipped to start at €799, about €50 more than the previous version. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.